All right, we're going to talk a little bit about attaching these loops on your kayak. So you can run cables or rope, whatever you'd like to run through them and keep it organized. With these rivets with a little plastic washer or rubber washer on it, we're going to be drilling a hole. We're going to mark it, drill it, and rivet it on. So the first thing we're going to do is find where we want to be. Now for this application, I have this ran through here already, but it's interfering with my my up and down with the motor, so I have to move it over. I think we're gonna go right back here, and that should run next to it. Keep these out of line each other. Okay, let's try that. And it still lines up with the hole. We're gonna mark this, mark this. Shook you around a little bit. All right. We're going to be installing this with 100% waterproof silicone. Now, these have the rubber washers on the top of them, but not on the bottom. So we're going to add some silicone to the bottom, and that should help seal it up. Can have a little bit of excessiveness, you can wipe it off. A little bit of water and a rag. Okay, now without making a mess, hopefully, again. It's that easy. That goes for any kind of projects that you'd want to rivet onto your boat. Drill the hole. Add some silicone. Make it watertight. Send it. What I'm going to do also is fill this center hole with silicone also, because it is not closed with a rivet. And to wipe up the silicone, just get a damp rag, wipe it up. Should come up nice and easy. Wipe it right off. Use a little tip of a screwdriver to get into the tight spots if you have them. Get a little on you, it wipes right off, so it's not real messy, and you can ensure it won't leak.